Hello, in this video we're going to factor the following algebraic expressions fully. So the first question, we start off by factoring out the common factor 2. We're left with 2 times 4x squared minus 9y squared. And what I notice here is that because 4x squared is a perfect square and 9y squared is a perfect square and it's a subtraction, that's a difference of squares. Difference of squares form we know is a squared minus b squared factors to a plus b a minus b. So we'll set up our brackets here. So the square root of 4x squared is 2x, so 2x plus the square root of 9y squared is 3y, 2x minus 3y. And we're done. The second question here often causes students to pause, but let's start by looking at a slightly different question. Let's look at this one, x squared minus 4x minus 45. So what you notice is that I've changed x to the power of 4 to x squared and x squared to an x. Notice that x times x gives me x squared. X squared times x squared gives me x to the 4th. So if I can factor this example here on the right hand side of the screen, the product has to be negative 45, the sum has to be negative 4, so it's going to be x minus 9, x plus 4. Sorry, x plus 5. Where was I? X plus, oh, pardon me. There we go, x plus 5. Right, because two numbers that multiplied in it be negative 45, but add to give me negative 4 would be negative 9 and 5. So this question here factors in the exact same way, but instead of writing x, I write x squared. So I'm going to have x squared minus 9, x squared plus 5. But we're not going to stop here. This is where students often stop. What I notice is I have to go in and look at each of these binomials to check for a difference of squares. And in fact, x squared minus 9 factors to x plus 3, x minus 3. So I'm going to factor that. X squared plus 5 can't be factored any further, and I'm done. I hope that helped.